In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money on PayPal by playing games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to showcase a very easy to use convenient service that allows you to play games, use different applications, take on service to make money and transfer it to PayPal. So the service that I want to showcase in this video is called Free Cash. Of course, there are other similar websites, applications that allow you to earn money by doing tasks, playing games, but this is the one that I chose to showcase in this video. So you can go over to freecash.com, sign up for free, and get started. In here, you will be able to browse through gaming offers and also other offers for different applications. You can choose to see the options to earn on Android, iOS, and desktop. So make sure that you tick all of the ones that you are willing to use, and then I recommend selecting View All on the gaming offers. Once you find one that satisfies you, you can click on it and you will get instructions on what you have to do. So as you can see for this one, if I complete stage 1 through 4, I'll get 3 cents, stage 3 2, I'll get 5, 4 1, 7, and so on. There will be a description on what you have to do. So for this one in particular, open the app, register, and complete the tasks within 14 days. So some of these will have a time limit. When you click this option here, it's going to ask you if you haven't started before. If you click no, it will give you a QR code so you can actually scan and get this done. And of course, after you do this, you will receive within the website. If you have already won for one of these, they will redirect you to another application and you will be able to repeat these offers. Of course, always keep in mind that while it is possible for you to earn money, directly playing games on PayPal to earn significant income is not recommended. Some of these tasks will take a while, and even though you can make some nice money just by spending some time playing these games, at the end of the day, it should never be your main income source because it will be time gated and you will need to spend a lot of time to get some of these done. Keep all of that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money on PayPal by playing games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.